Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to set schedules for comments or notifications on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, click on Profile. Click on three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now you have to click on Activity Center here or click on Notifications here. You can see here push notification schedule. In this way you can schedule notification by selecting the start time or by end time. In that time you will get notifications on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.